Hello everyone, myself Muir, and today's our topic of discussion is access modifiers in Java. So, access modifiers in Java, there are two types of access modifiers in Java. First one is the access modifiers, and second one is non-access modifiers. The access modifiers in Java specifies the accessibility of or scope of a field method constructor, the access level of fields constructor method and classes by applying the access modifier on it. There are four types of access modifiers. First one is private. The access level of a private modifier is only with the class. It cannot be accessed from the outside the class. Next one is default. The access level of a default modifier is only with the package. It cannot be accessed from outside of the package. If do not and it does not specify any access level, it will be default protected. The protected level is modifier within the package and outside the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from the other side of the package. Next, public. The access level of a public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package. There are many non-access modifiers such as static or abstract, synchronized, native access modifiers in Java. In Java, access modifiers help to restrict the scope of a class, constructor, variable, methods or data, security, accessibility, etc. to user depending upon the access modifier used with the element. Let us learn about the Java access modifiers. Their types are the uses of access modifiers in this article. The types of access modifiers in Java are: first one is default, next one is private, another one is protected and public. So, when no access modifiers is specified for a class, method or data member, it is said to be having the default access modifier by default. The data members classes or the methods that are not declared by using access modifiers, that is having default access modifiers, are accessible only within the same package. Geek access modifiers in Java helps to restrict the scope of a class, constructor, variable, method or data member. It provides security, accessibility, etc. to the user depending upon the access modifier used within the element. Let us next one is next one is default. So in default there are no keywords in required, and in Java access modifiers, the default modifier access modifier, when no access modifier is specified for a class, method or data member, it is said having the default access modifier by default. The data member classes or the methods that are not declared by using access modifiers, that is having default access modifiers, are accessible only within the same package. Next one is private access modifier. The private access modifier is specified using the keyword private. The methods or data members declared as private are accessible only within the class in which they are declared. Okay, thank you.